Are you locked out of your Snapchat account and can't access it with your phone number? No worries. Learn the step-by-step process to recover your Snapchat account hassle-free. Stay tuned for the solution. So let's say you are here at this page trying to log in at your account. And when you tap here in login, incorrect password advice is shown. Follow these steps to recover your account. Open your browser, in my case is Google Chrome. Now tap here, support.snapchat.com. Now scroll down and click here on Contact Us. So here you mark I can access my account. Now tap on I forgot my password. Now click here on Yes and fill in these boxes with your information. At this last box called Description, you will fill in what information should Snapchat know to recover your account more quickly. So I'll type here, I forgot my password and I don't have an email or phone number connected to my device. Please help me at the process of recovering my account. And finally, put in your email. Now, go here and tap on Submit. And that's it. You should receive a confirmation with your case number at the email address provided. And now, keep checking your email and waiting for the Snapchat response for your disclaimer. If you had any doubt about the process or want to make a compliment, comment below. Like the video if it worked for you, and subscribe to the channel to follow our content. Bye!